Hello, Christian. Nice to see you again, or actually the first time. Yeah, you take Lemonine now since how long?
It's about now about 6 weeks.
Okay.
I started with laminine, and now I'm taking the digestive, and I'm taking the omega, and now my next step is going to be the immunes for the immune system. And so I had a lot of challenge digestions, my intestine, my everything overall, and uh, since I started laminine, I feel my system's working much better. My digestions, I have no more blooding in my intestine, no more cramp, because I had a lot of cramp before. The cramp, I had those cramps since I was 12 years old
Wow.
in the intestine. My digestion's very bad, headache a lot itching in my belly. So now my belly is more soft, very soft. My headache has gone. I don't take no more Excedrin. And I lost some weight because the detoxing, this is the way I function. Everybody's different, but me, I lost some weight, but going to the gym, I can't push more weight.
That sounds incredible.
I'm stronger. I even, 3 days ago, I have a meniscus in my knee. So I can't do any exercise with my legs. But 3 days ago, I found out I can start to push weight with my legs.
Wow.
And the meniscus, they wanted to do surgery with me. I said no. So I'm very glad. I have a lot of benefit on this. And my scalp, before my scalp, I had those red spots from toxin in my body. And I don't eat meat. I was not eating anything. It was just, I don't know what was the problem. I was be careful of what I was eating, things like this, but my body was still very toxic. And now I feel great. I can go to the gym, much better. And
What about your sleep?
on my sleep, oh yeah, I want to sleep more. My sleep is good, and my mind much better and more clear, and all my energy, my heart, I have more compassion about myself, about other people. I always have compassion, but now I feel more, I see more clear, and it's more logical. Or everything I'm thinking, because before it was more like a little bit ego, a little bit this, but right now is more confidence. Exactly. I have more confidence.
I like your story.
And this is very important for me because I'm always been some kind of group, little shy. No shy, is more embarrassed. And now I'm more open to talk to people. I feel much better.
So Lemonine changed your life in
Oh
many
yeah,
different ways.
it's only 6 weeks, so I can't wait to go to the next 2, 3, 4 more months. It's coming up because, I feel the change.
Okay.
Physically, emotionally, both. And
Okay.
so far.
And you are actually from France, and it would be nice if you can tell some or share your testimonials with the people we have already in France over there. So,
In France, I didn't, for me, the product is new.
okay,
So I am ready to talk to my family.
okay. No,
Because-
can you share your testimonial in French?
Oh,
So,
my testimony.
yeah.
Oh, yes, is what I'm going to do.
No, now, right now in the camera. that
You want-
so that we can forward your testimonial to the
Oh,
people in.
so you want me to speak French?
Yeah, right.
Voilà. Bonjour, voilà. So, j'ai commencé le laminine, ça fait 6 semaines. Et c'est une amie qui m'a introduit à ce produit. Et depuis que j'ai commencé ce produit, beaucoup de choses ont changé dans ma vie. Beaucoup. Ma digestion, j'ai toujours des problèmes de digestion. Et à l'âge de 20 ans, j'avais de l'albumine, j'avais des problèmes, beaucoup de problèmes avec les toxines dans mon corps. Et c'est comme ça que j'ai commencé à perdre mes cheveux. À l'âge de 12 ans, j'ai commencé à prendre des crampes dans les intestins. Et je ne sais pas comment on dit en France, mais on appelle ça le candida ici. C'est dans les intestins, c'est des toxines dans les intestins. Donc on a les intestins qui gonflent, la digestion, ça affecte le foie, les reins. Bon, enfin, toute ma vie, j'ai eu des problèmes. Et depuis que j'ai commencé la minine, je prends plus j'ai plus des crampes. Ma digestion a l'air bien meilleure. J'ai plus les maux de tête. J'avais toujours des mal à la tête. Souvent le matin, donc je prenais des cachets pour la tête. Et ça a disparu. Ma barbe, elle est plus douce. Mes cheveux, je ne peux pas les sentir. Je sens qu'ils sont plus doux, mais surtout ma barbe. Ma barbe, elle était toujours très, très dure. Et maintenant, elle est très douce. J'ai perdu J'avais des plaques de rouge sur la tête qui ont disparu aussi. Ma vision. Ah oui, j'ai oublié de parler ça en anglais. Quand j'enlevais mes lunettes avant, je ne voyais pas bien. C'était tout flou. Et maintenant, quand j'ai mes lunettes, je pourrais conduire comme ça maintenant, après 6 semaines. Et c'est très important ça pour moi. Et ma pensée, mes émotions sont bien meilleures, je me sens mieux, je suis plus content. I'm much more happy too. Je suis plus content et je veux connecter avec les gens qu'avant je restais toujours dans mon coin. Quand j'étais en groupe, je ne parlais pas du tout. Une personne, j'étais confortable, mais pas avec des autres personnes. Plusieurs personnes. Maintenant, ma confidence s'est beaucoup élevée et j'ai beaucoup d'espoir que ça va continuer.
Thank you very much. I figured that
Merci
you
beaucoup.
talk a little bit about your eyes.
Oui, my eyes. Before, when I was taking off my glasses, it was very hard to see. And it was a couple nights ago, I go to sleep, I say, where are my glasses? I look at my glasses, there was no next to my bed. So I look at my glasses, there was in my computer. I say, did I stay all this time without my glasses? And it was true. I didn't even realize I didn't have my glasses. So I will be okay now driving without my glasses.
Oh, that's
But
cool.
I still wearing my glasses, because I feel it's better, but before, no way.
Huh.
It was no.
Christian,
Yeah.
thank you very much
You're
for
welcome.
sharing your testimonials.
Merci
Have a nice
beaucoup.
day.
Merci beaucoup et à bientôt.